In this auditorium, now Rama got the chance to show his performance. Rama's song is mixing with Kuchipudi, Bharatanatyam, and all our Indian classical songs in one song. He performed his dance register movements, his eyes rotating, his facial expressions for the our lyrical meanings in a great extent, great applause for the audience eyes. It's a very high very happily the audience watched Rama's song. At the end of the song, the all audience stand up and they given the standing ovation. Like this, the audience got the tears from their eyes. After prize distribution, Rama came in front of the mic. Then Rama told, I grown up in the shadows of Dasratha Ramaya Garu and Kausalya Amma Garu. Now they are living in East Godavari district, Ayodhyapuram. I want their blessings. Wherever they are, I want their blessings. I am an orphan. When I came to this city, Dr. Sita Garu helped me a lot. Without Sita Garu, I am not here. He told with tears. All this watching Dasrath Ramaya in his village, in his house, in front of the TV. Then happily Dasrath Ramaya called her wife, Kausalya, Kausalya. Kausalya came. See Kausalya, our grown up Ramu, how he became very good singer. Our Ramu, Kausalya, like Dasrath Ramaya felt very happily, and Kausalya Amagaru also felt very happily. After the prize distribution, from inside the auditorium to outside the auditorium, when Rama came outside the auditorium, from the audience photos and autographs in so much crowd. For Rama, it is so difficult to come from that crowd. This business is going on. In this process, Sita came and taked Rama's hand. Now they are going like this. This is Rama and this is Sita. Rama saw Sita when these two are walking. Rama saw Sita with a smiley, but Sita didn't saw Ramu. But Sita didn't saw Ramu. She simply walking. Rama seeing. Then two are walking. Rama with smile seeing Sita. Sita didn't saw. Rama seeing. Sita didn't saw. Meanwhile, Rama smiley saw Sita. Sita didn't saw. Suddenly, with smile, Sita also saw Rama. Rama smile. Sita smile. Both are smiling, and they are traveling, walking. When they are walking, we showed their footsteps on land. Here, our Hindu culture, when the bridegroom at the time of marriage, when the bridegroom tying the Mangala Sutra to bride neck, one classical or traditional one mantras will come. That posted on their footsteps. On classical instrumentation and mantras played. When they are happily walking, the moon is some brightness. they are happy. We showed happy this Sita and Rama happily moving. Suddenly the moon is one brightness. Slowly it became some more brightness. Now the voiceover of my great guru, the great legendary director Kala Tapasri K. Vishwanath sir voice. In Treta Yugam, like that Rama and Sita, in this Kali Yuga, this Rama, Sita, two hearts should become one, and they live happily, and they live as a wife and husband, and they live with children happily ever and forever. For this, we all should bless them. This is the voiceover of Kala Tapasvi K. Vishwanath sir. After this, one quotation will come. Humanity doesn't need relationship. This is the outline of the story. To help the person, relationship is must and should. But in this story, to help the person, humanity is enough. Humanity doesn't need relationship. This is the outline of the story. I taken the Ramayana Mahakavyam inspiration to this story. Ramayana Mahakavyam is the inspiration to this story. In that Ramayanam, there is a war. In that Ramayanam, there is Rama, Sita, Ravana. There is a war. In this Ramayanam, there is no war. I showed in the path of non-violence. Junior NTR sir is a very big mass hero. I like the mass cinemas also. One day I will direct the mass cinema also. But this story we have to tell like this only. Because in the story itself the star casting came. Junior NTR sir, Nayanthara garu, Prakash Raj sir, Jayasudha garu, Jyotika garu, Madhavan garu, Samantha garu, Naga Chaitanya garu, Sneha garu, Shivraj Kumar sir, Malayalam superstar Mammootty sir, and Shobana madam garu, Chandramohan garu. In the story itself, the artists, the all star casting came. The songs also, in story itself, the songs came. Every common audience is a hero in this story. In Tamil cinema, in Mudal Muryadai, the relationship between the Shivaji Ganeshan and the Radha Garu, they are not the lovers, they are not the wife and husband, but the relationship is like this, like that relationship. This in our story, our Rama and Sita relationship. In Anuraga Devata, senior NTR acted Aradhana, and Chiranjeevi sir's cinema Aradhana. At the end of the climax, Chiranjeevi sir walked with weak steps to see Suhasini garu. The bell ringing scene, what a great scene. Chiranjeevi sir acted in Swayam Krushi. Chiranjeevi sir acted in 152 cinemas. I think for 3 cinemas he got the awards. That is Shubhalekha, Swayam Krushi and Apad Bandhavudu. These 3 pictures directed the great director K. Vishwanath sir. Balaya sir also acted in massive cinemas, Samar Simha Reddy, Narasimha Naidu, but he also acted in Sita Ramula Kalyanam. Venkatesh sir acted in mass cinemas, but he acted in Swarna Kamalam cinema. Nagarjuna sir acted in so many mass cinemas, Shiva, President Garu Pellam, Vicky Dada, mass, but he acted in Geetanjali cinema also as a common man character. Like this, for the junior NTR also will get the success. I am kindly praying you, please share this story, first half narration and second half narration, to all your well-wishers, friends, relatives, known persons, to the film lovers, to all over the world. Through this, now you watched this story through my narration. If you bless, you will watch the cinema. It depends upon your blessings. We are the human beings. We are living in different countries, in our mother countries. Languages is different, and customs is different, but emotion is one, sentiment is one. So in this process, please share this video to your well-wishers and friends. I hope you will give your blessings. With your blessings, I will become a director. You will watch one good cinema on screens. I hope all will be good. Jai Sri Ram, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Jai Sri Ram.